Welcome to Power Hub Tech and Gaming. Please subscribe and press the bell icon. In this video we will talk about Vivo Apex 2020, a concept phone. Its official trailer is out. Vivo introduced this project back in 2018. If you want to earn money online by graphic designing, logo designing, digital marketing, writing, translating, videos, animations, programming, tech, business, lifestyle, etc. You can also buy these services in Fiverr. Link is in description. It have 120-degree full view edge-less display. It have an in-display cameras. It have 48-megapixel gimbal stabilizing main camera. It can record high-quality stabilized videos and the first smartphone to do 5 to 7x optical zoom. It have an amazing 60-watt super-fast wireless charging. Vivo called this technology a super flash charge. This is the most futuristic device we have right now. But it is still labeled as a concept phone. It is a 5G device with Snapdragon 865 chipset. If you want to earn money online, check out link in the description. Thanks for watching. Like and share this video and leave a comment.